Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Pretty good looking rounded cube. Not too hard to draw, but not really particularly easy. So a six-sided polygon. Rotate it 30 degrees. Control D and make a duplicate and grab that node right there and bring it to that node. Now select both of these, go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and round them off pretty much anything you want. I think that looks pretty good. Select both of them, go to effects and blend them. I've tried blending it 5 times. I've tried doing many things, but just blend it 10 times. Go up to object, break blend apart, select them again, go up to object and ungroup them. Skip the first one and delete the second and the third. Skip those two and delete those. Skip these two and delete. Well, so you want 2 bands in there, like right there, and then delete that. Now, one thing I did wrong is I didn't start in the center of the page. So that's a no-no. If we grab this one, there's the center of the page. So I can, you know what it might be? No, it's a little high. There's the center of the page. So select all these, Control G, Control D to duplicate, move your center rotation to the center and rotate it 120 degrees. Control D. Then I would strongly suggest you group this. So when we get rid of filling it in, you can move those lines out of the way. It's just a rounded cube starting with polygon, and this is why I group them together, because bam, they're gone. Now let's take away the indexing line. And you can do more with this. Control G to group it. Take the interactive fill tool and just wipe down. And let's put a little darkness on here just to kind of give it some look. Now we use the black box effect. Kind of makes it stand out. It's almost, kind of almost looks like a basketball, but square. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.